So basically, Linux commands are clear, or you want them like
Yeah,
you
yeah,
want?
those commands are fine.
Okay.
I think
So
that
let me
video
show you some.
also. Just a minute, let me close that video. I think that video also disturbing me. I think. Oh no, it's okay. I think. Okay.
Okay.
You know, you can
So
proceed. Yeah.
okay, okay. So before moving forward, let me tell you some resources where you can practice the Linux. First is Linux Journey. From there, you can practice the Linux commands. That is like the advanced
Mm-hmm.
commands. This one. Okay, from
Okay.
here. So you can practice that Linux commands, both basics and advanced. Okay, this is like
Linux
a very
journey
wonderful resource.
website. Okay, fine.
And
Mm-hmm.
then there's one more PDF. Let me show you. 1 second. Yeah, this one. Linux for
Mm-hmm.
professionals. So this one here, you can see there's like around 50, 55 pages. So here you can like learn that advanced Linux commands. Okay, it is a very like easy and easy to understand PDF. So you
Okay.
can like
Sound with
practice the Linux
just a
from here
minute.
as well.
Okay,
And I
fine.
will provide you this on mail. Okay. Then we can move forward with the
Mm.
process. Now here first we can discuss about phases of hacking, or we can say a simple methodology, which is very
Okay.
important in cybersecurity. That is methodology of hacking. So first here we have information gathering. Second we have scanning. Third we have gaining access. Fourth we have maintaining access. And fifth we have
You
clearing
can hear me,
traces.
right? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah,
Can
okay,
you hear
okay,
me?
okay, fine, fine. Yeah, no, I can hear you. Yeah. Breaking voice
Okay.
was coming, that's why.
Okay. So
Okay.
basically, first phase is information gathering, which is like we gather information about the target. Even before
Mm-hmm.
the phases of hacking, we have some more. That is,
Mm-hmm.
before like hacking into anything, we have to remember 3 points. Okay. That is
Okay.
like the most crucial points. First is who is our target, or we can say
Okay.
who's the target. Now, the target can be anything. It can be a computer, it can be a device, like it can be any kind of OS, for example, Windows, Linux, or Mac. It can be, we can say, any website, any web application, etc. Any server or any kind of IoT device. Okay. So
Mm.
before hacking into anything, we have to be make sure who is our target. Okay.
Okay.
Like what
Mm.
kind of device we are going to hack. Okay. Second one, we have the
Okay.
purpose of hacking.
Okay.
Like, why are we hacking the system? That is like the purpose of hacking. Like, for example, uh, do we want any, let's say, any data, or do you want any root access, any normal access, etc. That is like the purpose of hacking. Okay, like why are we basically hacking the system, which is also known as motive behind hacking. Okay, now then after that, the initial tools we can start with.
Ethical hacking or sound is not clear. Hello?
Sorry. Yes.
Yeah. Can you, yeah, sound, there is some sound disturbs, I think some problem is there in. Uh, Hello?
Yes. Can you hear
Can
me?
you hear me now?
Yeah, I can
Yeah,
hear
now
you.
I can hear you. No. What was my question? Okay, that this comes under the ethical hacking course or cybersecurity courses, this one?
The cybersecurity is a domain here, and ethical hacking is a part of the cybersecurity. Ethical hacking is a
Ethical
kind of
hacking is a part. Okay, fine.
part of cybersecurity. Ethical
Oh,
hacking is
okay.
like whatever we are hacking, we are doing it ethically or legally. That is known as ethical hacking. Okay.
Right,
And what
right,
is
right.
hacking? Whatever we are doing in an illegal way. That is known as
Illegal way.
hacking. Simple.
Okay, fine, fine,
So
fine.
before, and ethical hacking also means that we want to hack the malicious hacker. Basically, we have to
Mm,
replicate the actions, or we have to mimic the actions of a malicious hacker, so that we
mm,
can like think like a malicious hacker to get access
mm.
into any system. Okay, but whatever we are
Okay.
doing in a ethical
Mm.
hacking, we are doing like legally, while following all that laws and standards. Okay,
Right, right.
that is
Okay.
initial tools of. Okay, so before hacking into anything, we have to remember 3 points, which is like who is the target, like what kind
Mm-hmm.
of device we are going to hack, purpose of hacking, why are we hacking the system, because purpose will give us the
Mm-hmm.
goal of hacking. Okay, like what steps to follow, what tools and techniques to use, etc.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
then we have
Mm.
initial tools of hacking to get started. It is like some initial tools we can list out so that we can start the process. Okay,
Right. Mm.
now here we are, then after that we can move with phases of hacking, which is methodology of hacking. So first here we have information gathering, which is like we gather information about the target. Okay, like
Okay.
who is our target, the operating
Right.
system running on the target system, the open
Mm-hmm.
ports, the services running, etc. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now,
Fine.
information can be divided into two parts, which is like
Mm.
active and mainly information gathering is known as footprinting.
Yeah. Footprinting. Mm.
So we have two types of information gathering, which is active footprinting, and then we have passive footprinting.
Mm.
So active is like where we are gathering information in a like directly, while directly interacting with the target. Means where the
It's
target system knows that we are gathering information,
mm.
like someone is scanning my system, etc. Okay, that is
Really,
active footprint.
what does it mean that footprinting, active footprinting? What does it mean?
Active footprinting is like where we are gathering information directly.
Mm.
Means the attacker, sorry, the target knows that someone is gathering the information, or like it is like the target knows that someone is scanning my network. Okay, it
Okay.
is like we are yeah, it is like we are interacting with the target
Target. Okay. 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 Fine.
to gather information.
Okay.
Okay, now passive is like indirectly,
Okay.
where we are like gathering information without interaction with the target. Means the target or the victim doesn't know that we are gathering information. That is indirectly. Okay, which is like without interacting with the target. Okay,
Okay. Fine.
so after information gathering, next is scanning. So scanning is like where we are scanning for the like for the vulnerabilities. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
for the vulnerabilities or for the loopholes.
Okay.
See, there's a law, there's a rule in cybersecurity that if the system is vulnerable, then we can hack it. Okay, like
Right.
if
Mm. Yes.
basically we can hack the system in by two means or by two ways. First is by exploiting the vulnerabilities or
Okay.
loopholes. Second,
Mm-hmm.
by forcefully hacking any system.
Okay.
For example, like by attacking, by sending the malwares, etc. Those are like we are hacking the system forcefully in a basically in a illegal way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and here second first is by exploiting the loopholes. So if the system is vulnerable, then we can hack it. For example, if the system is vulnerable to any kind of attack, then we
Mm-hmm.
can hack it. Okay. And if the system is fully secured, so how we can
Okay.
hack it? We can even we can like forcefully hack any system with the help of malwares or any kind of DOS
Forcefully
attack or
means
DDoS attack.
like forcefully does attack like or is it like phishing? Phishing mail
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
comes phishing also we can say, right?
Yeah, phishing or social engineering, etc.
Especially, yeah, yeah, right, right.
So
Okay.
in scanning phase, we scan for the loopholes, for the vulnerabilities. First, we
Mm-hmm.
check that whether the system is vulnerable or not. If the system is vulnerable, we can easily hack any system. Okay. So in the
Right.
scanning
Mm-hmm.
phase, we mainly focus on the finding the loopholes or vulnerabilities. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
After that, we have gaining access. So gaining access is like here we are actually hacking any system. Okay, it is like the real exploitation, or we can say real hacking.
Okay.
So basically, we can say exploitation, we can say hacking, or we can say compromising. Okay, both are
Yeah.
these all
Yeah.
are same.
Same. Same. Yeah.
Okay. So in this phrase, we actually exploit the system with the help of the vulnerabilities or the loophole that we had found in the scanning phrase. Okay, that is
Mm.
like gaining access. Then we are
Right.
maintaining access. It is like maintaining your long term access inside any system.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for example, here we can say while creating any backdoor, etc. So basically, maintaining access will totally depends on your purpose of hacking. Like whether you want to,
Mm-hmm.
basically, why are you hacking any system? If you want to hack any system for a long term, then you can maintain your access. Or if you want to steal any information,
Maintaining
or if
maintaining access means time and again means access the system and disconnect access like that. That is maintaining access or long-term access,
uh,
right? That is.
yeah, long term access, where you can access the system for a long time. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that we
Okay.
will see. Okay, and then here clearing process is clearing the whatever we did. Okay, like clearing the files, clearing malwares, or clearing the logs, or clearing the history, etc. Okay, so that we can
Okay.
become untraceable. That is
Mm.
clearing traces. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so here we have five phases of hacking, that is information gathering, scanning,
Mm.
gaining access, maintaining access, and clearing traces. And these are known as
Okay.
methodology of hacking. So can you tell me that
Okay.
why do we need this methodology? Why are we following this methodology?
Yeah. For hacking, we need this all because information must be gathered and and that means information we need the all the information of the that system. Okay, and some scanning tools also we have to use, right? That
Yeah,
methodologies are
yeah, basically, yeah,
yeah.
you are right.
Yeah,
Basically,
that is.
methodology is yeah,
Mhm.
please.
Yeah, yes, okay, okay, fine.
Okay. So basically, methodology is where we have a systematic process of following the steps. Okay,
Hmm.
so methodology will give us a direction of moving from one phrase to another. Okay, so now in the hacking, it is totally meaning that we are making the hacking easy by following a systematic process. Okay,
Yeah,
as
yeah,
here we know, first step is information gathering. So in this phrase, we just gather information about the target. After gathering much
yeah.
information, we can move to scanning phase. After
Hmm.
scanning the loopholes, we can move to gaining access. So here
Hmm.
we are getting a direction of moving in one
Direction of
from one
moving up.
phase.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
that is
Got
known
it.
as phases of hacking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So first
It's
here we
fine.
will follow information gathering. Okay.
Hmm.
So we have some various tools for information gathering. So we can start with the IP address. So here,
Right, right.
so before hacking into anything, we should know the IP of the target machine.
Yeah.
Now it depends on the like which type of what kind of target is. It can be any website,
Mm.
it can be any application, it can
Hmm.
be any system, any server,
Yeah.
etc. So here we
Right.
have various tools. First
Hmm.
is net discover.
Yeah. Need discovery. Yes. Hmm.
Second, angry IP scanner.
Hmm.
Advanced IP scanner.
Okay.
Then we have shodan, and we
Hmm.
have ping. Then we have some more tools like census
Hmm.
and netgraph. Okay, so first net discover is a Linux tool. Okay, it is a Linux
Okay.
CLI tool. It is a basically a Linux CLI
Hmm.
utility. So net discover, like what is the purpose of net discover? So basically it is used to display the IPs
Mm-hmm.
of the connected device
Or website, whatever,
inside the
right?
network,
Or,
basically.
yeah.
Okay, that is net discover. So it is
Mm-hmm.
used to display the IPs of the connected devices inside a network. Suppose there's a
Okay.
network. Let's say there's a company. Okay, or we can say there's a network where like multiple devices are connected. So net discover
Mm.
is used to list those IP, the MAC address, and the host name of those connected devices. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to hack any system which is like inside your network, so for that first you need a IP of that particular device. Okay.
Yeah.
So net discover is a Linux tool, so we can open the Linux machine for that.
Okay.
Okay, so let's wait for it. The meantime, here we have Angry IP Scanner and Advanced IP Scanner. So Angry IP
Mm-hmm.
Scanner is a Windows tool. Okay, same as
Yeah.
Advanced IP Scanner, it is also a Windows tool.
Windows tool.
So
Mm-hmm.
the purpose of those tools are same as this one. Okay, so they both are used for listing the IP addresses inside a
IP
network.
address of the,
Okay,
yeah.
so the net discovery is for Linux and Windows, and
Inside the,
Angry IP
inside,
Scanner or
it is
Advanced
only inside the network or outside network also?
only inside the network.
Inside the network.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here we have
So,
Advanced
okay.
IP Scanner. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So net discovery is
Okay.
for Linux and Angry IP Scanner and Advanced IP Scanner is for Windows. Okay. So we have to install these like Angry IP Scanner or Advanced IP Scanner. So for that we
Mm.
can visit the Chrome, and here we can search for Angry IP Scanner.
Yeah.
Enter. So here you
So
can
the
see.
need to, yeah, software is there. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So you can install it for Windows, for Mac, or for Linux. Okay, which is like
Mm-hmm.
we will install for Windows. So you can click on here Windows installer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now after this, after installing, basically the installation process is like straightforward. So
Mm-hmm.
here we can search for Angry IP Scanner inside of Windows after installing
Yeah.
it.
Mm-hmm. So all
Okay, so this
networks,
is the
all inside the
interface.
networks, yeah, all IPs we can. Okay, fine, fine.
Yeah, all the devices
Yeah.
IPs, like it can be
IP.
the system IP, the server IP, any kind of
Yeah,
IP which is like
all
connected
IP.
inside your network.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now
Okay.
for this, here we should know the net mask of the device of the network. So for that,
Mm-hmm.
we can search for CMD inside Windows. Here you can type ipconfig.
Yeah, IP config. Yeah.
Okay, for displaying the network information. Here you can
Information. Yeah.
see. So this is the Wi-Fi. This is my current adapter, which is I am listening on. And here you can
Mm-hmm.
see the range, which is like a default gateway. It is like
Yeah. Mm.
192.168.1.1.
Right.
So here we can put
Right.
the range like 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.254. Okay, the range. As you know, we have
Mm.
like
Yeah.
255 number of hosts inside a particular network. So we have to put a range here. Okay, that is
Yeah.
192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.254.
Mm.
Okay, and then here we can start.
Mm. Yeah.
So here you can even click on the image.
And outside the network, what are the tools are being used?
Yeah, I will tell you in a
Outside
while.
network.
Yeah, I
Ah,
will.
okay, no problem.
So here you can see the scanning processes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Here, I think there's an option of hiding these. One second. Okay, so basically the scan is completed. Here you can see. So green one is this one,
Mm-hmm.
which is like this is my router IP. Rest are these
Mm-hmm.
devices which are not
Mm-hmm.
it is not assigned by the router, which is these IPs are null. Okay, and here you can see this blue one, which is like 192.168.133. This is someone's IP, and here you can see 1440. This is my laptop IP, as you can see the host name here. Okay, and more or
Mm-hmm.
less all basically I do have only Linux, Windows, and this router inside my network. That is why we have like some devices. Okay, like this one. So here we have Angry IP scanner, then we have advanced IP scanner.
Internal
Same as
network,
here you
your
can search for.
JNtech.
Sorry, can you hear me?
No, what I'm going to say that this all IPs, maybe system is off. Hello,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please.
hello.
Hello,
No, no,
can you hear
no, no.
me?
These all these IP displaying here. Yeah, all. Yeah, I can hear you. Hello,
Yeah, please. Am I audible?
hello.
Hello, am I audible?
Some Yeah, yeah. It's okay.
Give me a
I can hear
second.
you. Yeah, yeah.
Give me a second. Give me a
Yeah,
second. Let me connect to a different
yeah. Sure,
Wi-Fi.
sure.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah. I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay.
So no, just I was asking about those IP addresses. Many IP addresses there were, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
those how those IP addresses displayed there? That is JNtech IP addresses.
So that is
Those.
my network IP addresses. Basically, I am not inside JNtech network. I am at my home. So that
Okay.
is my network. The
Okay.
red
Okay. Okay.
ones are which is like the unassigned IP, and the green one is like which is like active IP, and blue one is
Active
like
IP.
the assigned IP. Yeah, that is
Okay.
like
Fine.
the
Fine.
currently on IP. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
Fine.
same
Fine.
as we can search for advanced IP scanner. Here you can search for advanced IP scanner.
Mm, okay.
Okay, click on here. So Angry IP scanner and advanced IP scanner both are same. Okay, you can click on
Mm-hmm.
free download. So
Mm-hmm.
if both are same, so why are we like worrying about this advanced IP scan? See, if Angry IP scanner in any case would not work, we can use advanced IP scanner. So in the
Mm.
cybersecurity, we cannot depend on one single tool. We have to keep on
Right. Right.
exploring the more and more tool.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe
You can
advanced
click
IP.
on
Maybe
free
all
download.
details. Maybe giving MAC address. All these things. Maybe details giving that. Right.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. Okay, so here you can search for advanced IP scanner. After installing inside your system, you can use it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So the like it is same. Here you have to go to the range here. That is my range is this one and click on scan. Okay. So now let's wait for the result.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It is giving name also. Before it was not name, right?
Yeah, yeah, in the advanced IP scanner. Okay, so here you can
Yeah.
see the status, the name, the IP, and here you can see the MAC
MAC
address as well.
addresses. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Basically, it is scanning. Let's wait for it. And even this one like shows you like what kind of ports are open in that particular system. So this will show
Oh,
you the
okay.
open ports as well. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here let's
Right.
wait for it. In the meantime, we can log in the call.
what are the courses you are teaching this cyber security, and other courses, what are the courses you are teaching?
Basically, it's like CEH, penetration
Mm,
testing, which is like
mm,
advanced, and
mhm,
forensics, uh, uh,
mm.
and I like data science, Python, and artificial intelligence, machine learning. etc.
Okay,
Those are
okay,
my
fine, fine. Mm.
courses.
So I will continue
And
then.
one,
Yeah,
yeah,
okay. Penetration testing also you are doing, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Uh, is it possible to do penetration test, suppose here in Qatar, in one organization? So you can do, right?
Mhm.
That from there also it is possible, or physically you have to be here,
No, no, it is possible online as well.
online as well also possible, right?
Yeah. Basically, it depends on what kind of penetration testing they want, because they
Yeah,
like various kinds of penetration testing, like web, network,
yeah.
and
Right, right, right.
IoT penetration testing, application
Hmm.
penetration testing, etc. So
Yeah,
it
yeah.
depends.
Okay.
So here you can see these
Mm,
are some
mm,
IP address which are currently assigned, and here you can see
mm,
this one. This is my VMware IP, and here the
mm.
MAC is this one. Okay,
Yeah.
and some of here is like the previous IP addresses. Okay, so advanced IP scanner like Angry IP scanners like both are fine. We can
Mm,
use it for scanning
mm.
the network. Okay.
Network, yeah. Mm.
Apart from
Okay.
these, we have the Net Discover, which is for Linux. So we can only use that inside Linux. So how to use it? So first you can open the terminal here, sudo su
Okay.
for the
Mm.
root
Okay.
user. Okay, to become a root
Mm.
user. Then here you can
Routine.
type Net Discover. Enter.
Mm.
So this will start scanning for the host which is inside the network. Okay,
This is also for inside the network. Okay, fine.
yeah, inside the network.
Mm. Mm-hmm. At present, you are teaching from which city of from India?
Basically Delhi.
Delhi. Okay, okay, fine.
So are you also from India or from
No,
Dubai?
no. I'm from Nepal.
Okay, Nepal.
I'm working here in one bank here, BSI, Bank Sadarat Iran here.
Okay, okay.
It's actually I'm from different field and not exactly, but I have interest in this cyber security and all these things. So I have been here also many years. And before I was in another bank. Now for last 12 years I'm in this bank, Iran Bank here in
Okay,
Qatar.
okay. Okay, cool. So basically this will like take time,
Mhm.
so we can like
Mm,
leave this. Okay. In
mm.
the meantime, we can continue with some other tool. Okay,
No
so
problem. Yeah.
these tools are for inside the network.
Okay.
Now here we have Shodan. Shodan is a kind of extension here.
Mm.
So we can use it on Chrome, on Firefox, on Edge, etc. Okay. So here
Okay.
you can search for Shodan. So this Shodan is for websites. Okay. So Shodan extension. And here you can click on Shodan. And here you will get the option of add Chrome. Okay. So click on here. And you can see the icon of the Shodan, which is like here.
Okay.
Your
Mhm.
website says JNtech Networks.
We can surf in any browser, right? That Sudan, or only.
Can you repeat it?
No, this Sudan that we can browse in any browser that like
Yeah.
you said that
This
Firefox
Shodan,
and.
yeah. We can like add it to any kind of browser. Okay, so
Mhm,
Shodan is
mhm,
used for displaying the IP addresses of any kind of website, which is like it is a very handy tool. You can click on the Shodan, this one, and here you can see
mhm.
this is the IP address of Shodan, sorry, website of a
Oh,
JNtech
okay.
website.
JNtech website. Okay, okay.
Yes, here as well,
Okay, fine.
country where the server is located, the city where the server is located. Because
Okay.
JNtech Networks.com, it is a kind of website. And this website is somewhere like located on any server, hosted on any server, and the location of that server is this one, Netherlands.
Netherlands. Yeah,
Okay,
Netherlands. Yeah. Mhm,
it is the organization which is like JNTech is using for hosting the website. And here you can
mhm.
see some of the open ports, which is very
Open ports
important.
are.
That we will
Mm.
discuss later.
Yeah.
So here you can see the gen like IP address. So it is a very handy tool. Suppose if you want to like perform any penetration testing on any kind of website. So for
Okay.
that we need IP address. Okay. So here you can easily see it.
Mhm.
So after Shodan
Okay.
we have ping. Okay.
Mhm.
Ping is used for it is also used for that IP. You can search for CMD. Ping is for both for Linux and for backend for that
Yeah,
Windows.
right. Window,
Okay,
window. Yeah. Mhm.
so here we can type ping and JNTechNetworks.com.
Mhm.
So here you can see the
Yeah.
IP basics of JNTech. Okay, and here you
Right.
can see
Right.
the packet sent, packet received. Even with
Received.
the
Yeah.
help of ping, we can even check that whether the host is up or down. Means whether the host is running
Mm.
or it is off. It is on or
Mhm.
off. Okay, because
Mhm.
here you can see we are sending 4 packets, and at the same time we are receiving 4 packets from JNTech. And here you can
Mhm.
see the lost, which is like 0% lost packet, which is like JNTech is up and running. Okay,
Okay.
because for
Fine.
hacking any device, we can easily like first we have to check whether the device is running or not. Okay,
Mhm.
so ping and JNTech. Ping is for both, or it is a kind of command, and
Yeah.
it is for both for Windows for Linux.
Windows and Linux. Yeah.
Now, then we have Census. Census is it is like a very powerful tool for
Mhm.
gathering IP address and for gathering information about any website. Okay, so it is for
Mhm.
okay. So here we can now Census is a type of we can say a website or a search engine. Okay, so we
So
can
these
use it
tools,
on any
this
kind of
sensor,
platform.
this is free tool, right? We can download, right?
Yeah, these are all free tools.
Yeah.
So you can search for Census. Search. Okay, click on census search.io.
Mhm.
So enter the IP address you want to send. Let's say we want to send for Janet. So we copy the IP here, Control C, and then here we can paste it here. So remove the space from here and search. Now, Census is a very powerful tool. So here you can see the location first. Here you can see what kind of OS the server is using. Means here you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
see JNTech is hosted on some kind of server. Now, what kind of OS that server is using? Okay,
Linux,
suppose
yeah.
you want to
Mhm.
hack JNTech website or you want to hack
Mhm.
the server where the JNTech website is located. Okay, so here
Mhm.
you can see the platform which is the server is using is Linux. So we can
Mhm.
create the malware for Linux only. Okay, because
Mhm.
Linux are like malwares are like depends on the like what kind of malware you are creating. It depends on the platform we are creating for. Okay, like for example, if we are
Okay.
creating for Linux, like then we have to
Mhm.
create the like if your target is using Linux operating system, then we have to create for Linux only. Okay, it is
Right.
not possible that the Windows malware may work in Linux. It is not possible.
Yeah.
Now here you
Mm-hmm.
can see the network name, the routing, the protocols which
Yeah.
are open. Okay, and you
Mm-hmm.
can see some more details about the protocol, like ports which are open in the server of where the JNtech is located,
Mm-hmm.
like it is hosted. Okay, here you can see the like details which here you can see light speed technologies, which is like JNtech is using this software
Light is
like
yeah.
for yeah, it is like
Web
using this
servers.
web server.
Yeah.
So here, even we can use this light speed technologies exploit for exploiting the JNtech server. Okay, that we will
Mm.
discuss later. First,
Okay.
like, but here each and every detail are very important.
Yeah.
See the version, and you can see you can even expand these details. Or you can see here view all data. So this will show you the data. Okay, IP, where the server is located, the country code, etc.
Mm-hmm.
The
All
coordinates
details.
as
Yeah.
well, latitude and longitude. Okay. Here you can see some DNS links, which is also very
Mm-hmm.
important that we will
Mm-hmm.
discuss later.
Yeah.
And here you can see the location inside map as well. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So census is a very powerful tool. Okay.
Powerful
There's
tool.
one
Yeah.
more tool which is more powerful than census, which is netgraph. Okay.
Mm.
So netgraph basically it is a extension. Now netgraph is also used to get info of the websites. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Basically this will like show you the information in detail. Okay, like
Mm-hmm.
the details of the technologies the website is using, etc. Okay, let me show you. Here you can search for netgraph. Here you can basically you can search for what's okay, netgraph extension. Okay, so you can write it on any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or whichever you are using. Click on here. Now simplest way to add is to go, so you can click on edit from here. Okay, after editing, you can like note the like logo of Netcraft, and then let's visit any website. Let's see
Mm-hmm.
JNtech. Okay, and here you can see the logo of Netcraft here, and click on here.
And
Now you have to click on site report. This one.
mm-hmm.
So this will generate the site like report of the JNtech. You can click on reject here. Now, so it is like analyzing. So we have to wait. Now here you can see the very like very deep details. First here it is the title of our website. Okay,
That there were
which is
two
used
options,
for
right? Accept and reject, right? Why you rejected that?
because I don't want to like
Yeah, yeah,
to
that.
create the section or to create the cookies inside my browser. You can
Right, right.
like accept that as well.
Oh,
So
okay,
here you
okay,
can see the
fine, fine.
title of this
Mm-hmm.
website. Okay, here you can see the
Mm-hmm.
site rank, the description of that website, date
Mm-hmm.
first seen. It's like when the website is first created. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
here you can see the rating, and here you can see the primary language. Then
Mm-hmm.
here you can see the networking details like site net, DNS, net broker owner,
Mm-hmm.
which is like the hosting company, which is hosting a okay hosting company.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the hosting a group, the country
Mm-hmm.
where the server is located, IPv4, IPv6, etc. Okay, more or less here you can see the IP delegation details that we will discuss in like in later. Then here you can see some more details, which is here. Like what kind of technologies JNTech is made up of. Okay, which is here you can see that site technology. JNTech is using PHP, XML, XSL,
XML.
and
Mm-hmm.
PHP. More or less
Okay.
for the client side, JNTech is using JavaScript. Okay,
JavaScript. Okay,
and you
fine.
can see they are using the jQuery, Ajax, etc. And for the blogging, they're using WordPress, and they are basically using WordPress website. Okay, so JNTech is a WordPress website.
JNtech
More or
giving
less,
training
you
of
can
firewall training also you are providing.
yeah,
JNtech
JNTech is providing, and yeah,
like Sophos
like
and
all
Fortinet, those firewalls
yeah,
training
all
also.
kinds of firewall. Yeah,
Ah,
all
okay,
kinds of
okay.
firewall.
Mm-hmm.
That is basically provided by G2 sir.
Ah, okay. Sophos also there is, right?
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Sophos firewall also there is.
Maybe that is not my course, so
No,
I'm
no,
not
no, no, no,
aware
no
about it.
problem. Because why I'm asking, because our network there is Sophos firewall. Because I want to learn that also. Maybe in coming days I will ask you that teacher also, that if you can provide. So because in my
So I will
network there is
provide you the
Sophos.
mem.
Yeah,
Yeah, I will provide you the counselor number so you can talk to her. Okay, about
yeah, yeah.
the
That will be
courses of
that will
firewalls.
be better. Yeah, that will be better, I think. Yeah.
So here you can see in other technologies like HTML5 or CSS, etc. So Netcraft is a very powerful tool for website information gathering. We can use it.
Mm-hmm.
So apart from Netcraft, then we have Weblizer and WhatWeb. So these are Weblizer is also an extension. Okay, and WhatWeb is a Linux tool. Okay, it is a Linux
Mm-hmm.
CLI utility.
Why you are saying extension that?
So Weblizer.
No, why
So
extension you are saying that?
because a Weblizer is an extension, so we can add it to any browser and we can use it on any like platform, any in Linux or Mac. And the
Ah,
purpose of Weblizer is
mm-hmm.
it is used to gather information
Okay,
of a website.
okay,
And
fine.
basically, what kind of information? So it is used for gather like the technologies from which the website is made up of.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And what we have, it is a Linux tool which is like same here. Okay. The purpose is same as Weblizer.
Mm-hmm.
But the difference is Weblizer is an extension. We can use it in any platform, and WhatWeb is a Linux tool. So we have to use it inside Linux only.
Okay.
So here you can for Weblizer and extension. So here click on netgroup.google. Okay. So here you can add to Chrome here. And you can see the logo of this web page. Now let's
Yeah.
visit JNtech website again. And here you can see the logo here and click on web page. Now here you can see the the technologies from which that website is made up of, which is like WordPress. So JNtech
Mm-hmm.
is using WordPress 6.1.1
WordPress.
version.
Mm-hmm.
Basically,
Mm-hmm.
version is very important.
Yeah.
If you want to hack any website or any server, and that server is using any older version or outdated version, then we can easily hack
Mm.
the website with the help of older
Right.
version. Okay, that is why
Right.
version is very important. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
here you can see WordPress. Page builder is
Mm-hmm.
Elementor, which is like a plugin or theme for WordPress. Okay, analytics, live chat, and blogs, and etc. And here
Okay, fine.
some JavaScript frameworks, libraries, etc. So these are the
Mm.
technologies which is used by JNtech. Here you can see
Mm.
for the database, JNtech is using
Mm.
SQL, and for the programming
SQL,
languages, we are using PHP.
PHP. Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
it's like
Okay.
version is 7.2.34.
Mm. Mm.
Weblizer is also very powerful too. Apart from Weblizer, if in case Weblizer not work, you can use WhatWeb. Okay. That is why we are keep on
Mm.
exploring like multiple tools because
Multiple
if
tools. Yeah.
one
Mm-hmm.
would not work, we can use another one. Okay.
Another tools. Yeah. Mm.
Here you can search for WhatWeb and so now your target DNS. Okay, you can put IP as well or DNS as well. So here we can put JNtech Networks.com and so let's wait for it.
Maybe network issue, that VM and that one.
Sorry.
Or maybe network issue is there in between Linux and that your laptop.
Uh, I think I think no. Ping it, JNtech. Check if
Yeah.
my Kali is reaching it. Recommend. It's okay. We can use virtual box. Okay, let
Mm-hmm.
me power.
What is the RAM capacity of your laptop? Because you have
It's
installed
yeah, it's like 8 GB.
8 GB. Okay. Uh-huh. So even 8 GB also that many that is the installation is there.
Yes,
It's
yes.
working fine, right? Mm.
Yeah, it's working. So, in the meantime, we can discuss one more tool, that is who is lookup. Who is
Yeah.
tool.
Who's yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So this is for
Yeah.
gathering information of like who is lookup. It is like for
Domain
information
IP.
gathering,
Yeah. Yeah.
domain IP, DNS
Yeah.
information, etc.
Yeah. Yeah.
For this, it is a kind of website, so we can use it on any platform. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because before using any tool, we have to be make clear that where we can use the tool. Like we can use it on Linux, we can use it on Windows. It what kind of tool is it? It is a
Mm-hmm.
website. It is a application, etc. So it is a website. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
here you can search this lookup this one, the domain function. So here we can
Right.
use the right click. Yeah, basically we will use this one. Now enter the domain or IP. So we can put IP of JNtech. So here you can
Mm.
click on show learn and copy the IP. Okay. Now here we can paste it and search. Now this will okay. Now here you can see
Yeah.
AC
All
number,
detail.
who is server, IP address, and other details. Like here you can see
Mm-hmm.
the hosting like IP range here, and here you can see the geolocation, created, and last modified website. Okay, and here you can see the organization details like hostinger, and here you can see number as well. Okay, number, mail. If there is any complaint you want to make, here we can easily
Yeah.
do it. Or if you
Yeah.
suppose if you want to hack
Mm-hmm.
JNtech. And suppose JNtech website is secured. So how we
Mm-hmm.
can like forcefully hack it? So even we
Mm.
can do social engineering on these numbers. Okay.
Right.
Like suppose if you
Mm.
want to gather any kind of server information, so you can like talk on behalf of JNtech. Okay. Because
Mm.
we can get we have the number, or even we can mail it. We can like send a phishing mail. Okay, we
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
gather any kind of you can we say like ID
Mm.
password of Gmail. Okay, with the
Right.
help of these. Okay, it is like a kind of social engineering.
Social engineering. Yes. Yes.
Yes. So who is like also a very powerful tool for this.
Mm-hmm.
So one second, let me check here. No, here we have to discuss this on what web. Okay, so what web and JNtech Networks.com. No, let's wait for it. Before that, let me ping the JNtech website, check if it is like reachable or not. I think there's an issue with my colleague. Let me copy the
Yes.
IP.
Yeah, maybe you can ping that IP maybe.
Yeah,
Sometimes
let's try
that
with
DNS.
Yeah, IP is working
Yeah,
fine.
yeah,
Okay,
IP is working fine. Yeah,
so we can type bot web, and in
Mhm.
place of JNtech, we can type IP.
Right.
So let's wait for it.
So next class, that is the Tuesday, right?
Yes, yes.
Same time, it's okay, fine for you?
Yeah, yeah. 7 to 8.
Yeah, yeah, okay, fine. So what will be the next class now?
Means
What will
it's
be the
about you or
topics? No, what will be the
okay.
topics, next
So
topic?
basically, in the next class, we will start with the CH module number 1, which is like introduction to cybersecurity. So in that,
Oh,
we will discuss about the like basic cybersecurity terms, like what
mm,
is like what kind of models we have, how we can protect the company. Okay, what kind
mm.
of models the companies like using, etc. And the laws
Oh,
and
okay.
standards as well.
Mhm. And this Linux command, I should practice, right? All the
Yeah,
commands.
you should. Yeah.
Okay, I will do
And
that.
if you find any kind of error or any kind of issue in any kind
Yeah,
of
yeah.
command, you can ping me anytime. Okay.
Oh, sure.
Uh, it is taking kind of 5 minutes. I think there's a 1 second. Let me type anyway. I think JTech is blocking my
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
private website. Any kind of website we can try with. Let's say we can copy that Islam.
Mhm.
So basically, as
Yeah,
Tesla is executed, so here you can see we don't have much detail. You can see the country here, the STD
yeah,
server that Tesla is using, and this one. So
yeah.
let's try with some more Tesla secure. Let's try with the Smack.
Mm.
So here you can search for this. Copy the IP and
Mm.
copy. Basically, this botware is pre-installed inside the system. Okay, inside Linux, like Kali Linux or ParaDOS, whatever we are using.
Mm-hmm.
So let's wait for it. I think there's some problem with my Kali Linux.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
like with my network. So here you
It's
can
okay, fine.
see we have the same function. So it is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
any function of
Anyhow, something is
Zomato.
coming there. Yeah, yeah. Even that
So
IP
basically,
also call.
I will troubleshoot tomorrow and then I will tell you. Okay,
Yeah, okay, no, no
please
problem,
do.
no problem.
So this
So
much is clear. That
yeah,
the
it's okay, it's
botware
okay.
this.
Fine, fine, fine. I can study now. No
So
problem.
rest, yeah. So rest we will continue on Tuesday. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Because in the weekdays we provide like 1 hour classes, or in weekends we provide 2 hour classes. So is it fine for you?
Uh, Weekdays you are talking about that. See, that's
Mhm.
Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, right? 3 days classes will be there, right?
If you want to take, basically we are providing from Monday to Thursday. So if you
Mhm.
like in future you want to like shift from 3 to 4, you can easily shift it. Okay. So
No
it's
problem.
like
I'll let you
in
know
the
that.
weekday.
I will let you know that. For time being, means for few days, another means 1 month. Better for me. I think Tuesday to Thursday will be better for me.
Okay, okay. No issue, no issue.
Same time, same time. 1 hour, it's okay.
Okay, okay.
Because I have other operational work also here in bank. Okay, yeah, I'm working since I'm working in IT department. So
Okay,
many things I have to handle here. So thank you very much. Okay, so please continue from
so
Tuesday.
yeah, and I will provide you the session. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can ping me anytime. Okay.
Sure. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Take care.